Hello and welcome friends of our channel. We are not just DS Farm, we are also DS Plastics. After all, we also have to make a living from something, and just homesteading alone doesn't really work. So we decide to process plastic based on recycling. And we also want to do something for our environment in the future. In this video, our first DS Plastics video, I would like to introduce you our new extruder machine setup for the production of HDPE welding wire, grass trimmer wire and 3D printing filament. It would be nice if you let us know in the comments down below what you think about this machine setup. Mostly all parts except of the puller are self-designed and self-made. I'm not really happy with this puller because of it don't work like it should. I want to replace that in the future with our own designed one. The new one comes with a direct stepper motor drive, stainless steel ball bearings, solid rubber rollers, 3-hole lines and stronger springs for more tension. Here you can see the winder section of the setup. It winds layer after layer onto our own reels that can hold up to 3 kg of material. Controlled by 2 separate controllers, one for the speed of the reel and the other one for the speed of the winder. Reel and winder are driven with stepper motors. The winder got 2 separate adjustable end switches where you can adjust the width of the reel. The tension arm which gives the right tension to the wire before it goes to the winder. With an automatic end stop to prevent for too much tension. The puller with the introduction. The 3D printed straightener and the 3D printed water bed. With a 30-gallon water reservoir underneath to make sure the water stays long enough, cold enough. And finally the nozzle where the liquid plastic is coming out of our self-made extrusion machine. If you are interested in the 3D printed parts, we will provide in the near future the files on our Patreon channel. There are more videos coming in the future about our plastic recycling and processing. Thanks guys for watching this video, leave a thumb up for us and don't forget to subscribe for our channel, and we see us in the next one.